Alright guys, so look at my taskbar right now. It's just sitting there, basic, boring, nothing crazy. But watch this, we're about to make it look way cleaner in like 60 seconds. So first open up the Microsoft Store. Now search for TranslucentTB. Yeah, the name sounds kinda weird, but trust me, click on it. Hit get. Let it download. It's super small, so it won't take long. Once it's done, just click open. You'll see this little welcome screen. Just hit continue and look at the taskbar now. It's transparent. It just blends into the wallpaper and makes everything look way more clean. Especially if you have a cool background, it actually makes your setup look kind of premium. Now, I'm not gonna lie though, there's one thing I don't love. When it's transparent, sometimes it looks like nothing is open. Like you could have File Explorer open, whatever, and it low-key looks like everything's closed. So the only way to really check is just clicking the icon. Alright, that's it. Go try it and make your setup look clean.